Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time. Thank you all you guys who subscribe to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Also, every time we get a new subscriber, we send a shout out to one new subscriber. Today is a big shout out to Casey. Thank you so much for subscribing to Toy Time. If you want to get a shout out here at Toy Time, next time it could be you. All you have to do is watch our video, look for this smiley face on my hand. When you spot the smiling face during the video, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. Also, give us a thumbs up to let us know that you like our video. So let's go ahead and start drawing and coloring with Toy Time. On today's video, we're gonna draw a boba tea. It's gonna be 2 cups. One is gonna have Thai tea and the other one is gonna have the purple taro tea. Alright, so grab paper and a marker and some coloring pencil or paint and let's start coloring. So we're gonna start by tracing the cup, one of the cups. It's almost like a rectangle. Do 2 lines and you connect the 2 lines on the bottom with a slight curve because it is the bottom of the cup. This boba tea has a dome lid, so we're gonna draw a semicircle, a similar figure to a semicircle. And then once you're ready to close the semicircle, you're gonna stop because we have to draw a straw. You can draw the bottom of the lid. Great job, everyone. We'll draw the eyes, one eye. Make sure you do a little shine for the eye, like chibi eyes. Draw the other eye on the other side of the cup, slightly towards the upper side of the cup, because on the bottom we're gonna draw the bobas. Now we're gonna draw a straw. Just make a straight line down all the way into the cup. Good job, everyone. Once you are done drawing the straw, we're gonna draw the boba pearls on the bottom of the cup. You just draw little circles, a little smaller than the eyes. Just draw a bunch of them all over the place. That's the boba pearl. Good job, everyone. We're gonna draw 2 boba teas, dear friends. So here they are. I'm gonna draw another cup similar to the first one that I drew, but this one is a cup that's gonna have a flat top. So I'm gonna draw a shape similar to a rectangle. That's the cup. Connect the top with a slightly curved line. And you can draw another line nearby because that's the upper side of the cup. And now we're gonna draw the top of the cup. Remember to leave a little space in the middle because that's where we're gonna draw the straw. We can draw the straw right now. Same concept as the other cup. You just draw a line all the way into the bottom, or you can stop a little halfway through the cup because you still want to draw the bobas. There's no right and wrong. However you want to draw your boba cup, it will look great. Now we're gonna draw the eyes. Leave a little white area for the shine of the eyes, so it looks like chibi eyes. Same for the other side. As you guys can see, the little shine of this eye is not too evident, and that's okay because I'll put a little dot of white paint at the end. I'm gonna use painting today instead of coloring pencil. Now let's go ahead and draw a mouth and draw the bobas. Great job, everyone. You can draw the little mouth that you want. You can make it smiling with a big smile. You can make a closed mouth smile. It's gonna look amazing. Now it's time to paint our boba tea. I'm gonna use a purple paint, purple and lavender colors, because this is a taro tea. And it's usually the very light shade of purple. It's such a beautiful color. I love it. So we're gonna use a darker purple on the bottom, and we're gonna make it a little lighter as it goes to the top, because usually that's where the milk sits and it dilutes the color a little. So just go ahead and paint all around the boba pearls, the little circles that you drew on the bottom. You can use coloring pencil, you can use crayon, or you can use paint and brush like I am on today's video. Now I switched the color. I'm gonna use a lighter shade of purple, and then once I'm done covering this whole area inside the cup, I'm just gonna blend them well, the darker purple with the lighter shade of purple. Thank you so much for watching our video and for watching Toy Toy Time. If you guys enjoy our videos, subscribe to our channel to help us out. We love when we get new subscribers. And don't forget, if you guys spot a smiley face, hurry up and subscribe to our channel to let us know that you are good at spotting the smiley face. Okay, so now this cup we're gonna paint orange, and we're gonna do the same thing. The bottom we're gonna make a very dark orange, and as we paint the top of the cup, it's gonna be a little lighter color. This is the Thai tea. Which one is your favorite flavor of boba tea? These are my two favorite flavors, and that's why I decided to color them purple and orange. But if you like a green tea, if you like a rose tea, paint the color of the tea that you like. It will look amazing. Or if you like two different teas, paint two different colors. That will look great too. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much for coloring and painting with us. Just carefully paint or color around the mouth. And now I'm gonna use a different shade of orange. We're gonna get the lighter shade of orange for the upper side of the cup, and then we're gonna blend both colors together. What other videos do you want me to draw? Okay, so we're gonna have lots of emojis coming along, and we're gonna have lots of how to draw food. French fries, taco, hot dog, ice cream, popsicle. Okay, so if you want to draw all these fun drawings with us, hurry up and subscribe to our channel so you can keep an eye out on our uploads. Also, hit the bell icon so you can get a notification when we post a new video. Let's blend these colors really well, then we'll move on to paint the straws. Alright guys, good job! I decided to use a green color to paint the straw of the taro tea because I love the way green and purple look together. So let's go ahead and finish painting this nice straw in green. And we have to decide the color for the straw for the other side. Can you guys guess what color I'm gonna use? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna use a lighter shade of green to just make lines along the straw. Did you guys guess that the other straw would be blue? Yay, good job! So I'm going to do the same, paint it blue, and then once I'm done painting the straw blue, I'm gonna use a lighter shade of blue to make little lines across the straw, like diagonal lines, just to look like it's a striped straw. I'm gonna use a lighter shade of blue to paint the dome and the top of the lid. Just paint everywhere in the lighter shade of blue. Both sides, both cups. Very nice. Good job, everyone. Keep coloring or painting with the lighter shade of blue on the areas in front of the cup too. If you don't have a lighter shade of blue, just use a blue, but make the color very light instead of pressing the pencil too hard, and you will end up with this very nice color. Time to color the boba pearls. Okay, I'm gonna use a brown color, a darker brown, and I'm just gonna color them all. This is so much fun! And now I'm gonna use a lighter shade of brown, and I'm just gonna make a little line on the side of the pearls, just so it looks like there's a little dimension to it. Okay, so let's go ahead. You guys can do the same. So now I'm using a white paint to just go over the little shine of the eyes. I'm gonna paint over the teeth of the Thai tea and just make a little detail on the dome cup and the top of the flat cup. Just little details. Last but not least, we're gonna paint the tongue of the Thai tea in pink. The final step is just to go over some of the lines with the marker. If you used paint, make sure the paint fully dried before you do this step so you don't damage your marker. I'm just gonna go over all the marker lines that I feel like my paintbrush went over a little and just reinforce these lines. Alright guys, so we're all done drawing and coloring 2 boba teas. Wasn't it fun today? Oh my gosh, I love drawing this. Alright, so if you guys liked our video, subscribe to our channel and also give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked our video. We'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching Toy Toy Time. Please subscribe.